we are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of the city in Mexico. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting names from Mexican and Spanish as well. So make sure to stay tuned to the Spanish if you enjoy learning. Now in Spanish, this is said as Guadalajara, Guadalajara, Guadalajara. Stress on that ha syllable. If you cannot pronounce the Spanish J, the H sound, the Jota sound, you can replace it with an H sound as Guadalajara. Guadalajara is how you can say it from Spanish, Guadalajara. And now you know more videos here on how to pronounce more interesting vocabulary from Spanish and names of famous places in Mexico and famous words from Mexico as well. I'll see you there to learn more. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.